This is what it's supposed to be. Okay. It's like a shooting grip. Alright, alright. The triple cold shoe mount. Okay, okay. Hopefully all this is good. Here we have the LS18 HD wide micro conversion lens. Yeah, that's supposed to be part of it. And we have a tote bag. Okay. And here we are. The Sony zv-1 wrapped up. So let's go ahead and get ready to see if this is actually it. Alright, now to remove the plastic. Now let's kind of open this up. Make sure that's what's in here. Don't want it falling. Definitely not. Okay. SD card. Oh. Doesn't say how big of a card this is. It says micro SD. I have to find out. I'll open that up in a few. What else did he include in here? Oh, there's the wind. The little wind piece. And here is the battery. Charging cable. I saw this, I forget the name of it. Some sort of mount piece. Definitely cool. Wrapped in that bubble. Okay, now trying to do this with one hand. It's not too good. Sorry, I'm just looking at the boxes, but gotta get that off. And here we are. The Sony zv-1. Ooh, looking pretty good here. Yes, indeed. Let's check that screen. You know the screen is what matters. Oh, that thing looks so clean. Yes. Alright. Let's set that to the side here for a second. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Nope. Everything is all good. Thank you.